How to create viral mini tools videos using AI. Just look at this channel, they are posting many AI tools videos, gaining millions of views, and already crossed 66,000 subscribers. These types of videos are going extremely viral right now. But here's the difference. Other channels just tell you the AI tool name and leave you confused about whether it's free or paid. But here we teach you only 100% free methods with clear credits and complete transparency. You'll find the prompt link in the description. Copy the entire prompt and go to ChatGPT. Click on Create Image. Paste the prompt and run it. As soon as you run it, ChatGPT will suggest trending mini tool ideas. Choose the one you want to create a video about. For example, I'll select mini cordless drill driver by simply replying with one. Once you reply, you'll get two outputs, an image prompt and a video prompt. At the bottom of both prompts, you'll see a brand name section. Replace it with your channel name before generating anything. First, copy the full image prompt and go to Grok AI. Click on Imagine, paste the prompt, update your brand name, and click Run. Select the best image from the results and download it. Now for video generation, upload the same image in Grok AI, copy the video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it there, change the brand name again if needed, and click Run. After a short wait, your video will be ready. Keep in mind that if you hit your daily limit for video generation on Grok AI, use your other Gmail to log in and generate there. If you want unlimited generations, then I have already made a video about it. Link is in the description. For more creative prompts and 100% free AI video methods, make sure to subscribe. I'll keep bringing you powerful and practical strategies to turn trends into viral content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.